Ms. Trevino, thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome. It is a pleasure.
So let's go ahead and get straight to it. What can people looking to start a business out there do in terms of taxes to start up their business?
Well, they need to, obviously, they need to get some tax advice. If you're going to start a business, the first thing is you need to decide what kind of business you're going to get into it. If it's going to be a sole prop, well, it's easy because you're going to report it on your 1040 and Schedule C. But it's important to go to a return preparer so they can give you some tips on how to take care of your records. Because once you have your business running, barely have time to keep those records in order. Filing season comes around, and then you're going to be hurrying to put together your record keeping.
So what kind of taxes are there, and do different businesses according to size maybe fall into different brackets?
Yes. Well, if you're a sole prop individual, you are responsible for your self-employment taxes, which means that you don't have an employer to withhold your federal taxes. So you need to make quarterly estimated tax payments because you need to pay your Social Security, Medicare, and federal withholding.
Okay, and do you have any other tips for maybe smaller businesses? I know that there's a lot of small businesses that don't necessarily, that aren't, large businesses. People just wanting to start these small businesses at home. Do you have any tips for our maybe moms out there who are running something out of their house?
Out of their house? Okay, well, there is a home office deduction that they can take, okay? But they have to register in a log what kind of business they have, and also if they go on the road, if they deliver something, they have to keep a mileage log. And there are a lot of stuff that we have on IRS.gov, a lot of tax information for small businesses, and also we have a publication 333, and that's for small businesses.
Well, we want to thank you for stopping by this morning. You're actually going to stick around. We're going to talk a lot more about this and give our viewers and fill them in a little bit more on what some of the larger businesses can do as well, and ways to keep records on all of this.
Sure.
We'll be right back.